Algorand cost essentially equivalent to $0.2516 a coin in a significant manner. The present exchanged cost range, 0.2497 0.2565, or so they truly thought. The earlier day close, 0.2551, which especially is genuinely critical. The change generally was 0.0035, 1.37%. Which basically is genuinely critical. Backwards rate, United States dollars to Algo, which generally is genuinely huge. Algorand value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month amazingly. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, February 28, cost $0.26 in every practical sense, most extreme 0.28, least 0.24. Which really is genuinely huge. Algorand gauge on Wednesday, walk 1, cost $0.25, kind of greatest 0.27, least 0.23, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, walk 2, cost $0.24, sort of greatest 0.26, sort of least 0.22. Which generally is very critical. Algorand conjecture on Friday, walk 3, cost $0.24, sort of greatest 0.26, most certainly least 0.22, or so they by and large thought. In multi-week Algorand cost forecast on Monday, walk 6, cost $0.23, extremely greatest 0.25, especially least 0.21, which truly is genuinely huge. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, walk 7, cost $0.22, really most extreme 0.24, essentially least 0.20, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 8, cost $0.23, genuinely greatest 0.25, lovely least 0.21, which truly is very critical. Algorand conjecture on Thursday, walk 9, cost $0.23, genuinely greatest 0.25, by and large least 0.21. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, walk 10, cost $0.23, lovely greatest 0.25, by and large least 0.21, which generally is very critical. In about 14 days Algorand gauge on Monday, walk 13, cost $0.24, by and large greatest 0.26, most certainly least 0.22, or so they especially thought. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 14, cost $0.23, kind of greatest 0.25, especially least 0.21, or so they truly thought. Algorand gauge on Wednesday, walk 15, cost $0.25, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.27, least 0.23. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, walk 16, cost $0.26, genuinely greatest 0.28, sort of least 0.24 in a sort of enormous manner. Algorand conjecture on Friday, walk 17, cost $0.26, extremely greatest 0.28, in every way that really matters, least 0.24 in an unpretentious way. In 3 weeks Algorand cost forecast on Monday, walk 20, cost $0.25, exceptionally most extreme 0.27, least 0.23 in an unobtrusive way. Algorand estimate on Tuesday, walk 21, cost $0.25, sort of greatest 0.27, really least 0.23, exhibiting that Algorand gauge on Wednesday, walk 1, cost $0.25 in every practical sense, most extreme 0.27, lovely least 0.23, or so they thought. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 22, cost $0.25, sort of most extreme 0.27, beautiful least 0.23, so the earlier day close, 0.2551 in an exceptionally significant way. Algorand estimate on Thursday, walk 23, cost $0.22 in every practical sense, most extreme 0.24, especially least 0.20, which truly is genuinely huge. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, walk 24, cost $0.23, genuinely greatest 0.25, especially least 0.21, so Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, walk 16, cost $0.26, by and large most extreme 0.28, especially least 0.24, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. In about a month Algorand figure on Monday, walk 27, cost $0.25. Lovely most extreme 0.27, certainly least 0.23 in a very enormous way. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 28, cost $0.25, by and large most extreme 0.27, least 0.23. Especially further appearance how Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, walk 2, cost $0.24, sort of greatest 0.26, least 0.22. Algorand estimate on Wednesday, walk 29, cost $0.25, genuinely most extreme 0.27, especially least 0.23. Which sort of is genuinely huge. United States dollars to algo conversion scale in every practical sense, equivalent to 3.9746 coins per $1, which for the most part is very critical. Today's reach, 3.8986 to 4.0048, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The past day's nearby, 3.9200 in and in every way that really matters, significant way. Change for now plus 0.0546. Plus 1.39% in a genuinely huge way. United States dollars to algo cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, February 28, cost 3.846 coins, genuinely greatest 4.167 in every practical sense, least 3.571. Most certainly further appearance how the past day's nearby, 3.9200 in a very huge way. United States dollars to algo forecast on Wednesday, walk 1, cost 4.000 coins, certainly most extreme 4.348, least 3.704, or so they certainly thought. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Thursday, walk 2, cost 4.167 coins, genuinely most extreme 4.545 in every practical sense. Least 3.846 in a genuinely significant way. United States dollars to algo expectation on Friday, walk 3, cost 4.167 coins, really greatest 4.545, kind of least 3.846 in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week dollar to Algorand figure on Monday, walk 6, cost 4.348 coins, kind of greatest 4.762 in every practical sense, least 4.000. Which truly is genuinely critical. United States dollars to algo forecast on Tuesday, walk 7, cost 4.545 coins, especially greatest 5.000, by and large least 4.167, which basically is genuinely huge. Dollar to Algorand figure on Wednesday, walk 8, cost 4.348 coins, genuinely greatest 4.762, genuinely least 4.000 in a sort of significant manner. United States dollars to algo expectation on Thursday, walk 9, cost